Git crash course. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system, DVCS, designed to track changes in source code during software development. It enables multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously without overriding each other's work. To get started, download Git from the website. After you download and install Git on your device, go to your desktop and right-click, then go to Show More Options. If you use Windows 11, then click Open Git Bash here. If you want to make your project folder, just type dir. To open the folder, just type cd. After you're in, if you want to add your project file, just use touch. If you want to make a save progress for your progress or activity, just use git init. For saving your progress, just use git add period. Before making a memory for your project, type this code. Now, to add a memory for your save, just use git commit name. To see your memory that you saved earlier, just use git log. After you've seen the memory that you saved and you want to call it back or enter the memory, just use git checkout hash code.